Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the Microsoft Windows Calculator. I'm going to show you how to copy calculations made on the Windows Calculator and paste the results into the Notepad document. As you can see, Notepad is open on the left side of my screen, and the calculator is here on the right. For this demonstration, let's just perform a simple subtraction problem. Enter the current year and then subtract the year you were born. 2017 minus 1997 and click equals. Spend a few moments in disbelief that you really are this old, then just smile and accept it. With the number visible in the display, press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy this number. Then click over in the Notepad document and press Ctrl and V to paste the number. There you go. This is a quick and easy way to transfer calculations from the Windows Calculator to another application on your computer. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.